Hello and welcome back, guys. So we need to create a flashcard in this particular question, okay? And we need to take question and an answer as arguments and return them together. So we take something like this, right? So for input, and then we have some answer over here, right? So it should be like that. Okay, great, great, great. So for every question, it should be something like that, okay? So if it is more than one, we need to loop over it, huh? So we just need to do for I in not sure if that will be same or not, but for I in question, right? So let's just do that, and then what we can do is, so we just need to add it up as well, or we could simply use return, right? So let's just use dictionary iteration, right? So in this, what we can do is question uh, should be what question, and then for question in question, we will need to enumerate over it. It's better that way. I think it's not a smart idea to do it like this. Okay, okay, it's not a good idea to do it like this because we will need to enumerate over it. So for I in enumerate, there could be a good thing to zip it together, but that's not possible as well. I think enumeration would be better, huh? Even range is also better in this case because we will need to unpack them. Yep. So what we can do is we will need to use length, assuming that the number of questions and answers are same, huh? That's my assumption of it. And then we will need to add something over here, right? So temp variable, that will be a dictionary, I guess. Right. So in that, what we can do is, so inside the temp, we can simply add something like what question, and its value should be what? The question and value should be value equals to should be value should be I, whatever the question is, and its index. So it should be question and I over here, and something similar, all right? Something similar. Copy it, paste it over there, and then it should be answer, assuming the length of it is same, right? And this should be answer, right? And we are simply adding them together. Okay, that's done. Return us the temp. So if length of question is not equals to answer, length of answer, we simply raise what, length error or something, value error. Let's just raise that. Right, so let's just do raise, that's it. Let's try to run this. Okay, compilation error, blah blah blah. Right, so just to print something like that. Right, print error. What's wrong over here? Okay, there is still a syntax error. Okay, why is that? Why is that? Why is that? Because we are looping over it. All right, so the first question would be, I'm not sure if it will be a list or not, no? So I'm not sure what's the issue over here. Okay, why are we doing that? Temp, it does not have any question at the beginning of it, right? So that's the issue. Okay, interesting. Interesting. So what we can do is, you see, I was talking about this, right? Temp dot get, right? So question, this is a little bit elegant solution for this problem. So question, and then what we can do is question I, because get will try to get this, otherwise it will simply add this. Okay, so since there is question and answer, so since we can't have like multiple thing, so this should be a easy solution, man. This is not even this. All this can be commented out. So it will simply be question will be what? Question, I guess. And then other will be uh, answer will be, because we can't have duplicate keys, na? That's why. Because we can't have multiple question, na? That's why it should be this simple. Let's try to run it. Yep, that's it. We were just making a big deal out of it. Okay, so that's how we solve this particular question. Very easy one, but we were thinking a lot of things, right? So let's just submit it, and then we will just check other people's solution as well. So what's the solution? Something similar, right? So very similar over here, and also it should be similar. There is not many thing. Okay, so they are just making a dictionary out of this kind of thing. Question equals to, so key value pair out of it. Okay, someone has done something similar. Okay, so most of them are very much similar, huh? So dictionary and then just adding it up. Okay, very similar, not out of the extraordinary. I like this solution as well. Could have just done like this or something. All right, so looks better that way. All right, that's it for this video. Thank